Hello everyone, my name is Seth Stroud, and my book presentation will be over the book labeled Baseball's Great Experiment, Jackie Robinson and His Legacy. I felt like this was the best picture to start this slideshow off with because this shows y'all not only who he played for, but it shows you the look in his eye and the determination that he had for his entire career for being labeled who he was. He actually broke the color barrier back in 1947, and I'm just going to give y'all a little brief summary of the ups and downs of his baseball career, but also his personal life as well. Jackie Robinson is known as one of the greatest baseball players of all time, and I cannot wait to dive into this book and show y'all just what made Jackie so remarkable. So the first picture I want to show you guys would be the picture that includes Jackie Robinson and Branch Rickey. For people that do not know who Branch Rickey is, he was the president and also general manager of the Brooklyn Dodgers at this time. And I don't really know if people would know who Jackie Robinson is without the guidance of Branch Rickey. And I don't really know if people would know who Branch Rickey is without Jackie Robinson. So these two guys really helped shape the form of baseball, and they also helped shape the form of the world forever. They broke the color barrier back in 1947 when Jackie Robinson signed a contract to play for the Brooklyn Dodgers. Branch Rickey was the first ever president or general manager to take a colored man into the major leagues. So this marked a first in history forever. And people really doubted Branch for doing this, but he believed in himself, and he also had a great belief in Jackie Robinson and his ability to win ball games. And I guess, as everyone knows, this partnership seemed to work out very well in the end for both of these men, because both of them are written down in history forever as two of the greatest guys to ever come through baseball, because they both really changed the game forever. All right, everyone. So I just wanted to throw this picture in here really quick. This is just a little illustration of Jackie Robinson signing his contract to play for the Brooklyn Dodgers. As you can tell here on his face, he looks really excited, you could say, but it's more of a relief to me that he's being able to sign this contract, because many African Americans, like Jackie himself, weren't able to live out their dream and play professional baseball due to their color. So this picture speaks volume as to how hard Jackie worked, and also the opportunity that he was given to be able to play professional baseball. Alright, so I just wanted to show you this little piece of hate mail that Jackie Robinson received back in the day. Many of you can read this. It states, "Robinson, we are going to kill you if you attempt to enter a ball game at Crosley Field." Jackie Robinson actually would get up to about 8 letters of hate mail per game. This would be from any type of fan in attendance. So just think of Jackie's feeling every game, not knowing if he's safe to go on the field due to a terrorist attack, or just walking the streets at that matter. Jackie Robinson had to go through some of the hardest times just to get to where he was during that day, and to be able to sign his contract in 1947 and break that color barrier should be looked upon as one of the greatest moments in our American history. And I salute Jackie Robinson for being able to deal with this type of criticism on a daily basis and actually turn that into a positive thing for himself. Without Jackie Robinson, I don't know if the game of baseball would be where it is today. And this book and my paper just illustrate how negative that Robinson really had it. And hopefully y'all realize that this isn't even nearly as bad as what Jackie had to endure 90% of the time. Alright everyone, so I just kind of wanted to end this the best way I knew how. I kind of talked about the negatives in the last slide, so I kind of wanted to show y'all the positives of this book. This book really talked about all the adversity that Jackie Robinson and also all the African American baseball players back in the day faced, but they also did it for a purpose. And Jackie Robinson and this picture go to show what all his hard work stood for, and what he all accomplished by going through all this adversity back in the 1900s. Jackie Robinson not only was the first ever African American to sign a major league contract, but he also was the first ever African American to be inducted into the Baseball Hall of Fame. In between that time span, Jackie Robinson actually was Rookie of the Year in his first year in the league, an NL MVP award winner, and also a 1955 World Series champion. This book showed me how great of a player Jackie Robinson was, but it also showed me truly how special of a man he was to be able to go through everything that he went through and come out as good as he did. Really goes to show me how truly great of a talent Jackie Robinson was.